Here's the removable rack I built for my Coleman UT400. Primarily going to use it to move firewood. There's the log splitter that did this to my pinky the beginning of December. And here's the wood that we're working on. So you're limited into how much wood you can pile on the back of this bed, so this way I'll be able to stack it much higher. It's just bed frame iron that I found on the side of the road. I've had my own lawn business now for about 27 years, and I've been picking up bed frame iron the whole time. The metal diamond plate I had to buy. But basically, to build it, what I did is I just kind of set the frame of it in the back of the bed and just lightly tack welded it together, and then I put it in my shop and did the hard welds. Later came back and welded this diamond plate stuff in. It was a sheet of it was about a 4x8 sheet. I want to say it was about $120, so not too bad. I have a little bit left, but anyway, it's like I say, the rack is removable. Just drop the tailgate and dump the bed down to take it out, and I do the same thing when I want to put it in. Just put the bed in the dump position and kind of slide that front rail on it and then shove it in. I haven't really tried it yet. I just finished it. I just want to get it out of my way. It's been in my shop and I've been trying to work around it. I wanted to make sure and put a good several coats of Rust-Oleum paint on it before I store it outside. I didn't want it to rust. But it actually came out pretty good, and I'm excited to use it. In the future, I might build a type of like a tailgate on the back of it here if I need to. But I think really once you just pile the wood in, I don't think I'm going to have to worry about it falling out the back.